In the vast, sunburnt landscapes of Australia, where golden light stretches across open plains and eucalyptus trees sway in the breeze, lives one of the most beloved birds in the world. Small, elegant, full of personality. This is the story of the cockatiel. Cockatiels are native to the arid and semi-arid regions of Australia. Here they travel in flocks, sometimes numbering in the hundreds, in search of food and water. Their long tails and graceful wings make them strong, efficient flyers, perfectly adapted for survival in harsh environments. Watch closely, and you'll notice their signature feature, their crest. A beautiful crown of feathers that rises and falls, revealing their emotions, curiosity, excitement, or even fear. Cockatiels are highly social birds. In the wild, they rely on one another for safety, companionship, and communication. They chirp, whistle, and call out constantly, each sound carrying meaning. A soft whistle may signal contentment. A sharp call may warn of danger. And when they feel safe, they sing. Each cockatiel has its own unique voice. Some even mimic sounds they hear in their environment. Today, cockatiels are among the most popular pet birds in the world. Why? Because of their gentle nature, their intelligence, and their deep ability to bond with humans. They recognize faces, respond to voices, and often form lifelong attachments with their owners. But behind their charm lies a responsibility. Cockatiels need space to fly, stimulation to stay mentally active, and companionship to thrive. Without it, even the happiest bird can become lonely. In the wild, cockatiels feed on seeds, grasses, and occasional fruits. In captivity, a balanced diet is essential. Pellets, fresh vegetables, and clean water help maintain their health. And just like us, they need sunlight, exercise, and rest. A healthy cockatiel can live up to 15 to 20 years, a lifetime of companionship in a small feathered body. What truly sets cockatiels apart is their personality. Some are playful and curious. Others are calm and affectionate. They can learn tricks, respond to training, and even dance to music. Their intelligence may surprise you, but their emotional connection will touch your heart. But life in the wild is not always easy. Drought, habitat loss, and predators threaten cockatiel populations. Their survival depends on adaptation and the delicate balance of nature. Every flock, every flight, is a testament to resilience. From the vast Australian skies to homes across the world, the cockatiel has captured hearts with its beauty, song, and spirit. A small bird with a powerful story. A reminder that even the lightest wings can carry the greatest joy. So the next time you hear a gentle whistle, take a moment. Listen closely. You might just hear the voice of a cockatiel telling its story.